Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, this is Pratik Srivastava here. And friends, today I am going to talk on a very important topic, TCS NQT exam cutoff and exam reschedule. So friends, how your exam cutoff will be decided, what will be the expected cutoff, okay? So this 75 percentage to 80%, whatever we hear, this is not the actual percentage. So this will be your relative percentage, okay? So we will talk in detail, and friends, we will also talk. So the questions of TCS NQT examination this year was quite difficult. Okay, I have taken few of the example where, being a teacher, I was not able to solve the question in 1.4 minute, the given dedicated timings. So being a student, how it will be easy to solve. So we will discuss each and everything. So watch the video till the end, because I understand the student pain. We at Online Study for You, we always think from the student perspective. Okay, so whatever problem you are facing, that somewhere hitting us back. So we also put a lot of effort for you guys, and when you guys stuck somewhere or in some problem, then definitely we feel also like we are also stuck and we are also in problem, and we feel the pain of yours. Okay, so friends, be with us till the end. Lot of things I'm going to discuss today, because I'm literally somewhere not feeling well by the questions which was asked by TCS this year, and we have put lot of effort, and then also we know our exam is not good. So we will talk what can be done alternative. Before that, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, Online Study for You, please do subscribe and click on bell icon, because all the videos, like many students ask, sir, should I write AMCAT examination or not? So even after scoring 99 percentile, students are not getting job. So all those things we have discussed here. Okay, now friends, so this year exam questions were tough, and moreover there was a time limit for each and every question. Okay, so in that limited time, you need to read the question, you need to understand the question, and then you need to solve. Alloy X consisting rupees 625 a kg is composed of copper costing rupees 775 a kg and lead costing rupees 225 a kg. Alloy Y costing 600 a kg is composed of the built and something, but in a different proportion. If X, Y are blended to make an alloy costing rupees 615, what will be the ratio of copper and lead in the new alloy? First, you need to understand the question, write down the data, and then you are going to solve it. Do you think 1.4 minute is a real justice for this question? See, many of the students will be able to solve, and they're right at dividing the values, and that time your timer stops and you move to the next question. See, many of you, I know many student has faced this. We have got the message through Telegram, through Instagram, and I am totally able to relate the pain which you have suffered or which you have gone through. I'm totally able to relate. There are many questions. Complex number is studied. This is a data sufficiency question. Is studied just after circles, which is studied on the fourth day of the week. Saturday is not a holiday. Third is studied just before the holidays. Okay, something like that. So there were questions which you need to read, which you need to understand, and then you need to answer. Friends, if somebody preparing for bank exam, if somebody preparing for CAT examination, they will be able to do it in that particular amount of time. But you are preparing for TCS, which is paying 3 to 4 lakhs per annum. You are struggling so much, you are getting demotivated that, sir, I was not able to do well in the examination, even though I have studied so much, I was prepared well. So friends, that time I feel like crying, because when my student put a lot of effort, and that time they are getting demotivated by the questions. See, some of the shift, very few shifts, the questions were easy, but most of the shift, the questions were tough. Okay, so when you are putting so much of effort, why you are dying for these companies? There are a lot of opportunities. I'm not going to talk about the other opportunities. Today I have taken only one slide, and all these slides only says about the pain which you are suffering, the the depression, the demotivation which you are there right now. Okay, so all the struggle which you are doing to get into these companies is not worth. There are thousands of other companies where if you put effort, you will definitely get a better opportunity, a better job. So friends, this year the questions were tough. I agree with you. You do not get motivated. You have to have your skill set more strong. I mean, you have to work more on your skills, and you have to become more intelligent in the field which you are doing. Okay, so now you do not get motivated, demotivated, you do not get depressed. These things are okay for 3 and 4. You are not here for 3 and 4 lakhs and for only one companies. See, Infosys is also a company. Their paper is very good. Students will, I mean, they check the aptitude, not with so many conditions and all. Capgemini is good. Okay, so there are a lot of companies are there, and when you are really putting so much of effort, when you are competing a bank and a cat student who will get IIM, who will get a government job, then you are not for this. Okay, so you should not try for this. Okay, and you should not get demotivated or deheartened. Okay, so my dear student, you put more and more effort, get into some other companies which pays more than 7 to 8 lakhs rupees. Okay, do not get stuck here. You are not there for these companies where you are putting a lot of effort, and when the questions are tough and you are getting demotivated. See, I know uh, because of this mass cheating, okay, they might have put the timings, okay, so that when you share the question it takes 10 to 20 seconds, and when they revert back it takes 10 to 20 seconds, and they need also 1 minute to solve the question. That is one way, but where is the justice for the student, those who have put the effort? Why should they get into such kind of paper which is very very difficult, and they don't clear the examination? So that should not be there. Questions were tough, I agree, I'm with you, and I know many of the other channels, they would have also faced that. The questions were tough, the questions were not easy. Okay, see, when we do at home, we read the question, we understand, we take time, and then we make the videos. But in an examination, sitting on sitting in front of the PC and reading the question, understanding, doing it, okay, with lot of restrictions, no friends, you are not there for this examination. You have lot more opportunity, and we are there with you at each and every stage. Okay, so we are continuously sharing the videos, we are continuously finding out so which all exams are good. Like we made a recent video on AMCAT, where after getting, many students also commented, after getting 99 percentile and all, people were not able to get the job. We made video on e-litmus, where people are able to get the job. We are coming up with so many hirings and each and everything, right? So friends, you do not have to worry at all. Okay, we are there with you. You do not get motivated, demotivated, please. You get motivated. Okay, so you think that you have lot more opportunity and you are not for this company. Okay, so you get that motivation, you put more and more effort and get into a good company. Do not cry for this company, at least, who has lot of restrictions, and this much of difficult develop problems is somewhere definitely demotivating you. Because being a teacher, I can understand, being a friend, I can understand, and we will be always there with you. Now, so let us come to the cutoff, friends. So this 75 to 80% of the cutoff, whatever it is there, so this is nothing but a relative cutoff. Okay, so I know the many other channels, they will simply make a video, the cutoff was 75 to 80%, okay, of that marks. Okay, but friends, actually what happens, you will be getting relative scoring. Okay, relative score. Suppose the total marks is 100. Now the topper scores 80%. Okay, so now the 80% of this 80 will be calculated, which is nothing but 64%. So your marks 64 will be considered as 80%, because it will be a relative scoring, or you can also say normalized score. Okay, normalized score. So you are going to get normalized score. So do not think that out of 24 or whatever the number of questions, you have not done 80% question correctly. No, so that is one thing which every student thinks, that out of 24 you need to do this many certain question. No, that is not like that. It depends upon the topper, how many questions he is able to solve, and accordingly this will be calculated. So which is nothing but the normalized, that is called as normalized score. Okay, so you will be getting normalized score, or you will be getting the relative scoring. So last year the cutoff was 75 to 80%. So this year also your cutoff might remain same, but last year, suppose if the topper would have got 90 marks, so this year, because the paper was tough, so it will be only 70 marks he might get. So last year if the cutoff was 70 to 80%, so this year the cutoff will be 56 alone. So friends, do not get worried. However your exam was, you now prepare for the upcoming examination. There are a lot of examination which are in queue. So you write other examination. Do not depend on only this company. You have a lot of opportunity which is paying you more package, and their exams are also easier. See, Infosys has also sent the offer letters, and their examination was also easy. Okay, doable. Okay, then you have Capgemini. See, if you wanted to crack TCS, then better crack CAT. Okay, and go to ISM, IIM and all, do MBA and get a package of 30-40 lakhs rupees. Okay, so this is what I felt, and I know the same thing you are also going through now, because I have a lot of messages where students are literally crying, and they're asking us to help during examination, which we do not do, which we do not support. Okay, so but yes, we are there with you at each and every stage. Now, friends, I know there are many of you who has faced the problem. The electricity went off, internet was not there. Okay, I could see my Telegram chats. So in Telegram, there are many students who are discussing. So these are the problem, what to do. You know, if you'll send a mail to TCS, in how many days you will get the reply? You lose your patience till then. You will become a patient till then. So it's not easy to get reply from them. And I know there are many people who are facing the problem. So a student also has, you know, done equally mistake, because you have to be very careful about your electricity part and all. So before you write the exam, because electricity is not in our hand. So you had to have very careful before you write the examination. Okay, so your electricity, your internet connection, everything. But anyway, as far as I know, so examination also gets rescheduled. Okay, if you have missed it by some medical reason. Okay, or if you're not able to start, so you can send a mail to them, because we do not have any direct connection with them. So you can send a mail to them, you can wait for the reply, but do not sit idle. Okay, so friends, you do not have to sit idle till then you do not get your goal. Okay, so you have to achieve your goal, and then only you have to sit idle. Okay, then only you have to sit silently. Till then you have to become violent, you have to work hard. So friends, we have uploaded a lot of videos, man. You just go through the videos. Okay, you just go through the videos, you open our channel, you just go through the videos, learn a lot of things. Definitely this is going to help you a lot. Friends, your problem is our problem. I know you are facing problem, and in that we are there with you. Please do not worry. Okay, just keep putting effort. We love you so much, and we will be keep working hard for you. And please go for some other companies. That is what I wanted to say from you. There are a lot of opportunities are there. Please do that. Thank you, friends. So this is all from my side, and I know whatever is there in your mind, please do comment. So I just wanted to tell you there are a lot of opportunity. Each and every TCS is a very good company. Okay, I do not deny it, but the level of preparation which TCS is asking, I think better you can crack CAT, MAT, CHAT. There are a lot of other opportunities. Thank you, friends. Good night. Take care of yourself. I'm literally, you know, I wanted to cry in front of you, because there are many students who are suffering right now. But still, I will say, please get motivated. Okay, go through the videos, work hard, and definitely you will get success. Thank you.